can download the art in the video for free, link in the description. For horizontal movement with acceleration and friction, go to your player script. Inside we'll create 3 variables. Speed is the max speed that we can move at. Acceleration is the rate that we increase velocity.x towards the speed variable. Friction is the rate that we move velocity.x towards 0. Inside the built-in physics process function, we will define a variable for x input, which is equal to the strength of the right input minus the left, and we'll return a -1, 0, or 1 based on the horizontal direction that we are inputting. We will then define a variable for the velocity weight. This is what will decide whether we are using acceleration or friction. We use acceleration if x input, meaning that x input is not equal to 0. Else we will use friction. Additionally, we multiply by delta to make the movement frame rate independent. For affecting velocity.x, we set it to a lerp, which a lerp moves the first value towards the second at a rate of the third, and we move towards the speed variable multiplied by x input so we get the correct horizontal direction. Now you have a simple acceleration and friction system that you can add to any of your 2D platformer games, and don't forget that you can check out the project files, link in the description.